Hey everyone, I am going to be doing two unboxing videos today. First one I'm going to start with is the Allure Beauty Box, and this is the March 2019 box. I have not opened it yet, so everything in here is going to be a surprise. This is only my second month getting the box, and I actually just got my February box like a week ago, so this one arrived quickly. My first one took like forever. So just opening it, right here we have an item not in the envelope, and then the little guide that tells you everything that you're getting in your box, or that you could potentially get in your box, and the retail values, which is very helpful. So before I even open the package, the first thing I took out is Essentials Microdermabrasion Scrub. This item is half an ounce, so I'm probably just going to say this is a sample size. And the full size of this is $32.50. I'll have to calculate exactly how much this sample size is worth. And it is with salt and grapeseed oil, and lifts away dead cells, clears pores, and moisturizes. And this is definitely something I will use because I do love microdermabrasion. So that's already a good piece. So white package this month is a little see-through, but I'm trying not to totally peek at it. All right. Second item is Au Naturale Cream Multi-Stick. And this is in grapefruit. This appears to be full size and retails for $35. It's pretty big. Nice packaging. And that is the color right there. And it says an Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. So I'm going to assume you could use this on your lips or on your cheeks, the bridge of your nose, and just blend it with your fingers. So I'm not a huge blush person, but it looks like a pretty light enough color that I can probably try it out at a couple places. All right, next is Acure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. All right, that was a mouthful. Let's see. This is $12.99 for 1 ounce, which this is 0.3 ounces. So this is about a third of a full size. It comes in this little blue item. It's glass and has a roller ball on the top. And it says to put it on dry spots just before makeup, and even at the ends of your hair. So looks like it has a couple different uses. I'm just gonna probably have to read up a little bit more about that. All right, next we have Mamonde Rose Water Toner, and I have actually wanted to try this item. It's not focusing at all. There we go. And yeah, it is a rose water toner. Full size is $23. So I'm definitely going to say this is a trial size. But I'm always excited about new toners. And I've heard the rose water helps a lot for red skin. And I tan and I need it because my face gets red a lot. All right, next item we have Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. Here we go. The full size on this is $48. This is just a trial size. And it sounds, face balm sounds scary heavy, but this one is quick absorbing. After a few days, its natural oils got rid of redness and dry spots that were making my skin look uneven. And like I just said, I have a lot of redness. So I actually do think that this is going to be a pretty awesome product for me. All right, we have 2 things left. One thing I do love about this beauty box is I do feel like they put a lot of stuff in it. And this was an or. So you were going to get one of these things. All right, so this is Biossance Squalane Peptide Gel. All right, Peptide Eye Gel. This quick absorbing gel keeps my under eyes plumped and hydrated. Fine crinkly lines are much less noticeable, as is puffiness. So, that is that. Trying to get this to focus. Does not want to. There we go. And full size is $54 on this. And it comes in a little pump, which is nice. I like pumps. I really hate putting my fingers in stuff because I have nails. And then there's always stuff stuck under my nails. I feel like I waste product and it gets stuck over there. And then the last item in the box is the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. It is a mineralizing water with hyaluronic acid. Full size on this would be $29.50. And it is also comes in a little pump. It's a serum. I like to try out different serums. I'm using a Bare Minerals one right now, so I'll probably go to that one as soon as that is over. And this was one of the editor's picks. So overall, let's say for $15, this box is okay. I do believe there was only one full-size item in here, though, which is the multi-stick. So everything else appears to be trial size. And yeah, just seeing the, so a couple things that I didn't get in here. So I think it just gives you the choices on the page. And I will review it and calculate a actual value for each one of these products and post it below. But thank you for watching, and I am going to go make my video for my Look Fantastic box for March. Thanks for watching. Bye.